Hello and welcome back. In the previous video, we explained the Extras tab and how to add extra services manually and automatically. In this video, we will explain the Inclusions tab. To access this section, simply click on the Inclusions tab inside the quotation. The Inclusions tab is used to clearly define what is included and what is excluded in the quotation. These items will appear in the proposal, helping avoid any misunderstanding with the client. There are two ways to add inclusions. The first way is manual entry. To do this, click on the green plus button. We will start with an inclusion item. Enter. Accommodation at the above-mentioned hotels on half-board basis. Then select Yes, since this is an included service. Next, choose the language, for example English, and then click Save. Now let's add an exclusion item. Click again on the green plus button and enter Tips. This time, select No, since this is excluded from the quotation. Choose the language, for example English, then click Save. This is the manual way of adding inclusions and exclusions, and it is useful when you need to create custom or specific quotations. The second way is by using Import Defaults. From the drop-down menu at the bottom, select a predefined inclusion set, for example, default inclusions in English or default inclusions in Spanish. Then click on the arrow button to import them. The system will automatically load all the predefined inclusions and exclusions, along with their status and language. You can still edit or adjust any item after importing if needed. You will also notice the Filter by Language option. This allows you to display inclusions based on a specific language. For example, you can filter to show only English inclusions or only Spanish inclusions, which helps in managing multilingual proposals more efficiently. This completes the explanation of the Inclusions tab. In the next video, we will explain the Terms tab. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.